Our first witness is Jeremy Harrell. Mr. Harrell is the CEO of ClearPath, a nonprofit which advocates for policies that reduce global energy emissions. Mr. Harrell has served in a multitude of energy and environmental advisory positions on Capitol Hill, and he is the Chair Emeritus of the U.S. Nuclear Industry Council's Board of Directors. So, Mr. Harrell, I recognize you for 5 minutes. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Chairman Capito, for the kind introduction, and thank you, Ranking Member Whitehouse and members of the committee for the opportunity to testify today. My name is Jeremy Harrell, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of ClearPath. America is at the dawn of a new era of unprecedented energy demand, fueled by robust economic growth, a revival of American manufacturing, and advances in AI and quantum computing. These developments have presented new challenges, yet offer immense opportunities for our country to build big. The regulatory process is not only unpredictable, but it is also one of the largest barriers to meeting energy, climate, and economic development goals at the federal, state, and local level. In the face of skyrocketing demand growth, building more energy resources has become more urgent. We need to let America build. NERC reported that annual demand growth rates are nearly double those of the last decade, when roughly 3 projects were added to the grid per day. But to meet that demand, we may need to build around 6 projects a day, or 16,000 facilities by 2035, and we'll need a broad suite of technologies to do it. These challenges are present in nearly every sector of the economy, from energy to housing to transportation projects. To be clear, the solution is not a development free-for-all. The regulatory environment must balance speed and safety, but the solution requires step change reform, not tweaks around the edges. Reforms that demand accountability and promote good outcomes as fast as possible should start with 3 key objectives. 1, leverage innovative American technologies. 2, expedite reviews. And 3, streamline judicial review of administrative actions. First, Congress could require more accountability, provide more transparency, and direct the use of modern technology. There is a clear need for more reliable information from federal agencies, ranging from the number of permits under review to how long they've been stuck in limbo. In many cases, federal agencies are not even using the same systems or terminology. More transparent data will help with accountability and provide the public with information to participate. Congress should also consider the role of AI, machine learning, and other state-of-the-art technologies to reduce the burden of project reviews. Our system is still stuck in the 1990s. Technology reforms are the lowest hanging fruit for bipartisan action. Second, we must expedite the review process. Faster approvals for projects that bring net benefits and comply with existing environmental laws are essential to meeting our nation's needs. Congress could expand categorical exclusions to permit projects. CADEXs are a one-time determination under NEPA that certain activities do not warrant the substantial data collection and review that come with site-specific EAs and EISs. However, they still require agency decisions for each site. There is bipartisan support in Congress to accelerate low-impact energy projects like geothermal exploration to eliminate redundant reviews. A permit-by-rule approach could also offer significant benefits, balancing administrative speed with safeguarding public health, safety, and the environment. To do this, the criteria must be well-defined, periodically reviewed, and aligned with the overall regulatory framework. Encouraging development in certain pre-qualified geographic areas could also accelerate projects. Previously disturbed lands or well-characterized areas like brownfields present opportunities to leverage electrical and mechanical infrastructure. The impacts of this development are minimal in most cases and are in or near the communities that need the economic growth the most. And lastly, the judicial review of agency actions must be reformed. The current system is tilted towards those who seek to delay or block projects. For example, a recent analysis found litigation delayed fossil energy and clean energy projects by an average of 4 years, and agencies won 71% of those challenges. Separately, an analysis on transmission projects found 24% of projects that completed environmental review faced litigation, and the agency won 88% of those cases. If major infrastructure projects are regularly delayed by legal challenges that are ultimately overturned, it is time to reassess whether our current system is protecting consumers or protecting project opponents. Congress could consider limiting legal challenges to plain errors related to the natural resources laws, narrowing the scope, and setting strict review timelines. Without changes, our nation is needlessly undermining our own economic development and climate goals. In conclusion, the U.S. is in a global competition for energy leadership. China and Russia are deploying billions of dollars around the world to advance their geostrategic interests, to control the sector, and connected supply chains. We must overcome our regulatory challenges to counter these efforts and meet domestic energy, economic, and environmental needs. It's time to let America build. Thank you.